Here I have put all the components in the PCB board, and I took this PCB board from this type of old PCB, and I sandpapered all the copper strips from its backside, so there is no any conducting strips in backside. So I will connect these components using some wires later. Let's flip the board to the backside and then solder all the components in their place.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Here I have soldered all the components in their place, so I will connect the components according to the circuit diagram as shown. Here, this is the final circuit.
Why are we still here?
And I haven't attached the heatsink to this amplifier because I am just testing it and I don't want to run it longer. These two wires are input wires, audio input wires, and here I am using 3.5 mm audio jack to attach it to the mobile, and these two wires are audio left and right. This is audio ground, and this is the output wires, and this speaker is not capable of handling 12 volt output, so I am using this network, which is a capacitive dropper.
Let's test it using non-copyright sound.
And if you plug out the audio jack from mobile, then you can make touch sensor using this amplifier like this. If you touch the audio in of this amplifier, it will amplify the noise like this.
Oh my